Let's create a small configurator to customize the appearance of the surface. Let's use the onKeyDown property. The switch case construct will help you define options for calling event handlers for pressing the cursor keys. So, we have assigned coefficient changes that are responsible for the appearance of the surface when pressing the corresponding keys. Now, let's set some presets. The surface tends to this form at small negative values of the second coefficient, and such a form for larger numbers with a minus sign. Here is something like a ball. And the last view, it looks great in browser full screen mode. Well done! 74 lines of code. Final round. We compare the result. Here, the number of nodes is 700.
Oh.
I agree. SVG animation looks a bit more complicated. Here, there are two cycles at each position, outer and inner, plus a play of color. For exercise, you can repeat all this in the canvas version. In the meantime, there are few nodes, performance looks the same. Let's complicate the task. 20,000 nodes. For the purity of the experiment, we will simplify the SVG version to the canvas version. The first thing you will notice is the long launch of the SVG variant. Building the original view takes a very long time, and you will inevitably see such a warning. Can you even wait? Visually, canvas is faster, plus instant launch, unlike SVG.
Flawless victory.